Justice and Correctional Services Minister Masutha has told the SABC that former President Jacob Zuma's son Duduzane should never have been chained in leg shackles when he appeared on state-capture charges in the Commercial Crimes Court in Johannesburg on Monday. Masutha says while the building that houses the court has never been designed to handle accused persons, authorities seem to have failed to properly apply the rules. And that while Zuma's incident is not isolated, a security risk assessment should have been done on individual.
It's this incident that went viral, causing an uproar. Duduzane Zuma chained in the Commercial Crimes Court in Johannesburg on Monday. The Justice and Correctional Services Minister now says that should never have happened.
What transpired in that court on that occasion is not ideal. In terms of the jurisprudence that is there, that is not how the situation should have occurred. All right? So let's be clear about that. All right? And this may not be an isolated case. All right? We have come to realize that there seems to be a problem in applying the rules properly in that court. In that, there is a requirement that you must do a security risk assessment of the individual accused person who you are dealing with in that specific situation. There's a context with regard to the infrastructure and based on the lived experience and the incidents that have occurred. That does not take away the reality that at the end of the day, the prosecution, the police, the court orderlies, and even the presiding officer have a responsibility to ensure that the fair trial rights of the accused are actually upheld. And in this situation, it appears that the justice system fell short.
And now it seems a complete security overhaul is on the cards for the court.
Going forward, we're going to review their procedures in that court to ensure that the jurisprudence I've alluded to that give guidance as to how security measures relating to accused persons should be dealt with are upheld going forward. But we're going to go further than that. As I indicated, that infrastructure was never ideal to host criminal courts. And we are fortunately almost completed a new court with 19 courtrooms in Boysens, which will be opening soon. That's going to create additional court space for us.
Masutha's comments come after Duduzane's brother Edward Zuma on Thursday lashed out at authorities.
It's disgusting. It's just uncalled for because this is a person who submitted himself to the law enforcement authorities, not violent, really. So there was really no reason for such to have happened.
Edward Zuma has since urged the Human Rights Commission to take up the matter, but has not yet laid a complaint with the body. Griselda Lewis, SABC News in Johannesburg.